3D printing technology is transforming industries and changing the way we operate. Various sectors around the world are reaping the multifarious benefits of this disruptive technology, from quick prototyping in the design process and other manufacturing processes to the fabrication of end-use parts. Hello everyone, and welcome to a brand new video on the channel. Today, we are going to talk about 3D printing in different industries. Before we get started with the video, don't forget to smash the like button, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get started. Medical and dental applications. The healthcare industry, particularly the medical and dental fields, exemplifies how 3D printing may be a game changer. From patient-specific implants to complex surgical planning models, 3D printing in healthcare has improved precision, reduced expenses, and shortened recovery times. Customized dental implants. Using data from computer-aided design, CAD models, and CT scans, 3D printers create implants with a precise fit, significantly enhancing patient comfort and functionality. The capacity to create prosthetic limbs based on individual dimensions offers optimal functionality and aesthetics. This customization, made possible by 3D printing, has completely altered the prosthetics sector. Automotive industry. 3D printing isn't just a new technology in the car industry, it's completely changing product creation. Automobile industry titans like Ford and Porsche are embracing this technology, from initial designs to on-demand manufacturing of replacement parts. Automobiles of today are engineering and design marvels. Manufacturers can test and develop designs at previously unimaginable speeds thanks to 3D printing methods such as selective laser sintering, SLS, and fused deposition modeling, FDM. This speeding up of the prototyping phase means faster innovation and a shorter time to market. Custom clothing and fashion customization and distinctiveness are essential in the fashion sector. Designers are always looking for new ways to exhibit their ideas, and 3D printing provides just that. With this technology, fashion professionals may break free from traditional constraints and create previously unthinkable footwear, jewelry lines, and accessories. For example, New Balance, a well-known footwear manufacturer, uses 3D printing processes to create personalized shoe soles that ensure the best fit and comfort for customers. In a similar vein, jewelers are pushing the envelope with elaborate 3D printed items. Beyond just looks, the technology supports sustainability since it generates less waste, which is in line with contemporary customer preferences for ecologically friendly goods. That's the end of the video. I hope you liked it. If you did, let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.